This is the Honor X9A. For me, I'm a fan of the curved edge display. So okay na okay sa akin yung curved edge display nito. And this is a super slim phone and very lightweight as well. Then yung back panel naman nito, I like it. It's matte finish. I have the emerald green colorway. And medyo hindi ko lang trip yung camera module. So it has a circular camera module, napakalaki. Pero yung gitna niya, instead of being glass as well, para siyang may break sa design. And I also like that very slim yung mga bezels nito. So top, bottom, almost equal yung bezels niya. And then napakaliit lang ng selfie camera niya. So design-wise, this is a winner in my book. Another thing that I like about this is the UI. So this one is running the Magic UI 6.1 based on Android 12. So hindi pa naka-Android 13, but I'm pretty sure this will get the Android 13 treatment as well. I almost have zero complaints about it. Wala akong na-experience the bugs so far. Now, another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is yung overall performance niya. So this one is a Snapdragon 695. For games, kaya naman niyang mag-provide ng magandang gaming experience. It's just that hindi mo lang talaga masasagad yung games mo considering na meron siyang mataas na Antutu benchmark points. Like umaabot to ng 400,000 Antutu benchmark points. So you can definitely play games like Mobile Legends and even Genshin Impact. Kaya naman itong patakbuhin but at the lowest graphical settings. And I'm a fan of the curved edge display. So gustong gusto ko yan sa mga phones. This one has an AMOLED display, full HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Na napakaganda. It's what you would expect from an AMOLED display. Very vibrant yung colors. It's not overly saturated. Saktong-sakto lang to please the eye. Meron na tong napakalaking storage. So meron tong 256GB of storage. Solid na yan para sa mga nangangailangan na ganyang kalaki na file storage dahil marami na kayong malalagay na photos and videos as well as games na pwede nyo install. You can always depend on the front panel nitong phone na to. Perfect tong phone na to para sa mga tao na super clumsy na ilang beses nilang mababagsak yung phone nila or kung palagi kayong nag-aaway ng girlfriend mo or ng misis mo and may chance na iba to yung phone mo, definitely consider this phone.